can you pass the tea? And don't mind me, if you spill it on me, it's okay. I heard through thy grapevine that thy giant birds of Gryffindor are on their way. Oh yes, they're on their way. Most definitely. To invade Oh, I love this blessed city in the clouds. Methought no Jiberoshes would ever come nigh. Oh, that's just gonna stare at the vast earth from up here in the high clouds. We are a simple sky elven people. Our dragon allies will be formidable foes against thou Jiberosshy birds and elves. We have no way to lose, we must keep hope, for our city needs us to have a fighting spirit. Always reflecting up here in the clouds, reading my Bible. I know Jesus is coming back soon. I need some tea and perhaps a good dose of some wind. He makes the finest winds up here in Davender. His name is Yahweh. War is coming, and let me tell you, young man, elf or dwarf or whoever you are, there's no swag or self-glory in war, that's right, it's all vain. Oh, it's a wretched curse of this falling world. So please hold on to peace of Christ and always do what God tells you to do with honor. That's enough deep talk for me. Time to go find some Jiberosshy elves and birds, so I can return to my once peaceful cottage-core skyborn lifestyle. Hello, Bibli. How long till the elves invade? That tea spillage and cricket are my two favourite games.